Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix 404 error on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. A 404 error on Shopify means that a page or resource like a product, collection, or blog post cannot be found. This can negatively impact user experience and search engine optimization. Here are steps to troubleshoot and fix 404 errors in Shopify. So, first of all, you need to identify the 404 error source. Before fixing the error, identify where the error is occurring. Here are a few common sources: deleted products, collections or pages, changed URLs or slugs, broken links on your website, or incorrect menu or navigation links. So, steps to find 404 errors in Google Search Console. Sign in, click on your Shopify website's property, navigate to coverage on the left-hand menu, and look for errors under Not Found section. So, as you can see, guys, you can set up URL redirects in Shopify. If the error occurs because you deleted the products, change a page URL, or updated collection link, you can set up a URL redirect to point the old URL to a valid, active page on your store. How to set up URL redirects in Shopify. First of all, go to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, then Navigation, scroll down to URL redirects, and click Recreate URL Redirect. In the Redirects form field, enter the old URL that caused the 404 error. In the Redirect to field, enter the new URL or a related collection or homepage. After that, click on Save your redirect. Check and update broken links. If a 404 error is due to a broken link on your website, find an update to the link to the correct URL. For navigation menus, go to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, then Navigation, review the menus, and check that all links are pointing to valid pages. Update any links that lead to deleted or moved content. For product pages, blog posts, or custom content, use Search Console or manually check your site for broken links. Update any broken links to the correct live URLs. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.